Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In the last video, we have seen how to create pages on a Shopify store. In this video, we are going to see how to create products manually and how to import products in bulk. So guys, without wasting much time, let's start. But before going ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. On our homepage, we have an option called Add Product to create products manually on Shopify store. But we are not going to make use of it. We have to go to Products on the left side, then the product screen will open. Since we don't have any products currently on our Shopify store, it shows us a blank page. If you want to start dropshipping business, then you can easily import products from third-party websites. We have different apps on Shopify store which you can use to import products. To view those apps, you need to click on Find Products to Sell. On this page, you are going to find different dropshipping apps. You can easily install these apps and then you can import the products and then you can start the dropshipping business on Shopify. Guys, in my future video, I will make a detailed video on how to start dropshipping business and how to import products. Currently, we are not focusing on this. Let's create product manually. Now, let's close this tab and let's go to the product screen. In order to create product manually, we need to click on Add Your Products button. First, let's understand the elements on this page. Under title, we need to add the product title. Then, under description, we need to enter the product description, like all the details of the product. Then, under media, we need to upload the product image. The image you upload over here will be shown on the product page. Then we have pricing. Under price, we need to enter the discounted price. And under compared price, we need to enter the original price. Then we have charge tax on this product option. By default, it is enabled. This means that Shopify is going to add tax on the product. Then we have cost per item. This is the cost of the product that you have purchased for. Then we have inventory. Over here, we can enter the SKU code and the barcode. Then we have track quantities. If we want to track the quantities of the product, then we need to enable this option. By default, the option is enabled. Once we untick it, the below quantities option will go. If we enable it, then we can see that the quantity option is enabled. We can enter the quantities over here. If we untick, then the product is going to have unlimited quantities. And even you have no stock for the product, then customer will be still able to place an order for that particular product since you have unticked this option. We also see the location name. When we click track quantity, we can see the location of the warehouse, that is basically a store location. We also have another option over here which says continue selling when out of stock. When we check this option, then whenever the product is out of stock, the customer will be still able to place an order for that particular product. By unticking this, customer will not be able to place an order when the product is out of stock. Now let's go to the shipping. Under shipping, we have the option called this is a physical product. By default, it is checked. This means that this is a physical product which we can touch and feel. Like if we are selling t-shirt, then it is a physical product, right? So in this case, we need to select it as a physical product option over here. If you are selling ebooks or any other software digitally, then you need to untick this. When you untick, then customer will get an option to download once he places the order. Then we have options. Over here, we can create different variants for a product. Like a product might have different variants like large size, small size, red color t-shirt, black color t-shirt, green color t-shirt, and so on. So we can create those variants over here. If you don't create variants, then we'll have to create product for each variant. Like for a red color t-shirt, we'll also have to create a new product. Then for a small t-shirt, we'll have to create a new product. So we don't need to create a new product when we enter the information under options over here. We just have to define the variants over here. Then we have search engine listing preview. So whatever the product title and meta description we have entered above will be shown over here. We can also change the product handle. I had shown you in my previous video how to change the handle of the page. Similarly, we can change the handle of the product over here. Then at the top right side, we have product status. When the status is active, the product will be visible on the front end of the website. If we change the status as drop, then the product will not be visible on the front end. Then we have sales channel and ads. Currently, we can see the option online store. This means that the product is available on the website on the front end. You can also integrate other channels like Google Shopping and Facebook Marketplace. Once you integrate, those channels will be shown over here. Then under product organization, we have types. We can select the type of product. Guys, this is basically the product category. In order to create a custom product type, we need to click on add custom type. We have vendor. Basically, we can enter the company name which has manufactured the product. Then we have collections. Collections are basically categories of the product. And once you create the collection, you can select that particular collection over here. By default, we already have a collection called home page. We can link it. In my future videos, I will show you how to create collection. Then we have tags. Tags help in search engine optimization. We can enter the tags over here. Each tag will be separated by a comma. Now let's create a product by entering all this information over here. I'll enter the product title. Then the description. Let's open the Lorem Ipsum website and paste the description from there. Then I'll add the product image. Now let's give a discounted price like 200 rupees. Then the original price is 300 rupees. I want Shopify to charge tax on this product. Then I'll enter the cost of the item. Once I enter the cost of the item, then I can see the margin and also the profit that I'm going to make by selling the product. Then under inventory, SKU code, I'll enter the SKU code over here. If you have barcode, then you can enter the barcode over here. Let's keep the track quantity options enabled. Let's add the quantity as 10. Then we'll select this is a physical product. Since t-shirt is a physical product, that means we can touch and feel it. So we need to also ship it to the customer, right? So we need to keep this option enabled. Then we have weight. Let's not enter this. This is not mandatory. Then we have country of origin. Under country of origin, we need to select the country as India. Guys, in India, we need to select the country of origin. and it is a mandatory process. Then we have harmonized system code. If you have the harmonized system code, then you can enter it over here. Then we have options. So as I told you earlier, these are the variants. Let's enter the option name as size. So we can give option value as large, small. So this means that we have two variants of sizes, that is large and small. Click on done. Let's enter one more variant. We'll give color. We'll give red color and black. Click on done. Now, whatever variants that we have added over here are shown over here also. We can see the price of those variants and quantities along with the SKU details. We can change the value of the price also over here for the different variants. I can give quantities over here. Similarly, if I click on edit, then I can see all the details of that particular variant. I can make changes over here also. I can also see the margin and profit that I am going to make. Then we have this search engine listing preview. So whatever name we had given under the title, we can see it over here. Then we also have the description of the product. So guys, this is the meta description basically. We can also change the handle. I'll change over here. Classic. Now let's scroll on top. Let's keep the status as active. Then the product is available on our website. Then let's add a custom product type. Let's add t-shirt. Then I'll select the vendor XYZ company. Then let's select the collection and finally we'll add the tags. Now let's click on save. Guys, as you can see, the product has been created successfully. Now let's scroll down. After saving, we can see another option over here under variants. This allows us to upload an image for the variants. Like for the red t-shirt, we can select the image as red. Then for the black t-shirt, let's upload an image of black t-shirt. Same I'll do for the small t-shirt also, which is having red color, and similar for black. Now let's save this change. After saving, let's click on preview. Guys, now the product is successfully listed on the website. We can see the product image, the title of the product, the discounted price and the original price. We can see the different variants that we are having. Once we change the variant, the price also changes since we are given a different price for the variant. When we change the color, we can also see the black color t-shirt. We also have the product description over here. So what we have done is we have created a product manually. Now let's create product using the bulk upload method. Go back to the product screen. We have the import option over here. Let's click on it. We need to click on this link, download a sample CSV template. Once we click on it, Shopify Help Center website will open. Then click on sample product CSV file. Once you click on it, a new file will be downloaded. Now open the file inside MS Excel or in Google. Whatever previous data was there, I have removed it. I have only kept the headers of the file. Then I have entered the product handle. Then I've also entered the product title and also the product description. Then I've also added a tag over here. Now let's scroll to the right side. I have given the product image URL. Then if we scroll right, we have the more options over here. You can give as per your requirement. Now let's download this particular CSV file and let's import it. I have already downloaded the file. Now I'll import that particular file. Click on add and select the template. Click on upload and continue. So whatever information that we had added inside the CSV file will now appear in a model. If we guys refer the CSV file, whatever information that we have entered over here, like the title XYZ t-shirt and the description, this is a test product, are appearing over here also. Now let's click on import products. Once this is finished, the product will be successfully imported. Guys, since I had given the URL of the product image, we also have the product image for this product. We also have the product title along with the description. We had not given the product price. That's why the pricing is 0 over here. Then you can make the changes as per your requirement and then you can save those changes. Now let's see how this product looks on the website. As you guys can see, the title is appearing over here. Since we haven't given any price, the price is shown as 0. Also, we have the description of the product along with the product image. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. So let's do a proper recap. So first we have learned how to create products manually. Then we have learned how to bulk import the products. Guys, before ending this video, I would like to inform you that we are a community and to support this community we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and also like and share this video. Thank you.